Here we have the Cujo Yard shoe. The goal of this was to create a lightweight shoe, hybrid boot, designed for working outside and being comfortable all day. So the key here is the waterproof toe cap. When you're walking in wet, dewy grass, your feet are gonna stay dry. But we also have breathable mesh, so when it gets hot in those afternoons, your feet won't sweat to death, it's gonna be cool. The sole was very important to us. We did a thick, durable rubber outsole with really aggressive grip pods. These were designed specifically for wet hills, being in grass, and not slipping. We also made it very flexible, so the shoe's gonna move with your foot, not against you. Comfort's very important with us with the Cujo Yard shoe. That's why we created it with an EVA midsole that has excellent cushioning. The insole also has a comfort heel with great thickness and really good arch support.